For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give it the world. To you, I'll never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds singing, but he knows the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you, never before. And the songbirds keep singing, they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you, never before. Like never before. Like never before. Well, hi there, pluckers. I'm Solvingers again with another hopefully interesting lesson for you. Again from the Rumours album by Fleetwood Mac, a song called Songbird. Obviously mainly done on the piano originally, but this is my single guitar version for you. Standard tuning, but to make chords a bit easier, I put a capo on the 3rd fret. Okay. So obviously there's a bit of a piano sort of intro to this song, so it's a little bit involved to try and work out exactly what's going on and play it on the guitar. So I simplified it somewhat, and I've come up with sort of this sort of thing. So what I'm doing there, basically it's a D chord, sort of bum bum, and then two strums on open first 3 or 4 strings. Okay. Okay. Just open strings and then an A chord. Couple of times around that, and then sit back on the D first, 4 G, 4, I'm playing a 4-fingered G most of the time. Okay, for you, there'll be no more D crying. Back to G for you, the sun will be back to D shining. And E minor. Now there's a bit of a quick change here, and I feel that when it goes E minor, and I feel that on when it's G. When then we go to B minor with you. So that's, and I feel that when I'm with you. Okay, 2nd fret bar chord, B minor. Okay, 2nd fret from the capo. Okay. Minor shape. So let's just go from the beginning again. For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you. Okay, you've got that far, right? And then what we do is we do that. So from the B minor, what I'm doing there is I'm going with you, and then I'm lifting off this bar up. I'm lifting it off the 6th string and the 5th string and hitting the A string open. I'm hitting the A string, the 5th string open with the B minor chord. So this finger is still barring the 2nd fret of the top E string. So the B minor is still there, okay? And then to a G. So this bit is where it goes. And I feel that when I'm with you, okay, with you, it's alright. I know it's right. Okay, so we'll just go through that whole thing slowly. The whole thing, intro, first verse, slowly, okay? For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. Know it's right. Alright, and now we're going to the 2nd verse, which is exactly the same. To you, I give the world. To you, I'll never be cold. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. No, it's right. Right, now comes the chorus. And that goes, and the Songbirds is A. And the Songbirds are G singing, while they know the B minor score. And then this is a definite B minor to A to B minor. So, and the Songbird are singing like they know the score. And G, love you, I love you. A, I love you. I'll never be D. Okay, so I'll just go through the chorus again. It's coming out of the 2nd verse. It's alright. I know it's right. A and the Songbird, G are singing. B minor, know the score. B minor to A, B minor to A, B minor. And I G, love you, I love you, I love you. I never did before. Again. And the Songbirds keep singing, I don't know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you, like never before. Like never before. Like never before. Okay, so what I would do on the end there, you just do the last line 3 times, like never before. Hit the open A string, the 5th string, and then the chord A, like never before. Like never before. Just finish up on the D there, and there you have it. Okay, so there you have it. There is an instrumental bit in it, but there's not. There's just basically plays the verse on the piano. Okay, so I didn't bother doing that. So let's just go through the intro, couple of verses, chorus, finish. Okay, so here we go. For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining, and I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed that and help you play that song. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.